In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over in QuickBooks Online by creating a new company. If your books feel cluttered or you want a clean slate without losing access to your previous records, this walkthrough is for you. We'll review your current subscription, decide whether a fresh company is the right move, and then set up that new start with confidence. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon labeled Settings. From there, choose Subscriptions and Billing. This page is your control center for your plan and charges. Take a moment to note your current plan and billing details so you have a reference for features, pricing, and your renewal date. It's a simple step that helps you avoid surprises and makes it easier to match the new setup to your needs. Now, if you want a completely new company with no prior data carried over, you'll cancel your current subscription. This is the cleanest path to a fresh file. Before you do, make sure you're comfortable with what this means. You're starting from scratch. Your existing records won't be part of the new company, which is the goal here, but your old data remains associated with the old subscription, and you can keep it separate and safe. Timing your cancellation around your billing cycle can also help you avoid paying for unused time. With that decision made, it's time to create your fresh start. Open your browser and go to quickbooks.intuit.com. On the home page, click Sign Up or Try It Free. This takes you into the new company workflow. Follow the prompts to begin entering your new data. Think of this as setting up a brand new file. You'll add your business info, tailor your settings, and start populating lists like customers, vendors, and products as needed. Keep your naming conventions simple and consistent, and enter only what you truly need so your new books stay clean and easy to maintain. As you move forward, remember that this approach gives you a clear separation. Your previous company remains untouched, and your new company begins with a blank slate. That separation can be incredibly helpful for training, changing workflows, or simply getting organized. If you're unsure about which plan to pick, compare it to the details you noted earlier so you choose the features that match your current goals. And that's it. You've reviewed your subscription, made the call on starting fresh, and set up a new QuickBooks Online company with clean, accurate data. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.